In this video, we're going to have a look at using the sine rule to find the length in a non-right-angled triangle. Now the sine rule I've given at the top of the page there, a over sine A equals b over sine B equals c over sine C. You can also use this rule in reverse, so the signs being on top if you want to find an angle. We're finding a length, so we're going to have the little letters on the top. Now the first thing I'm going to do on my triangle is just label my lengths. Now when we label, we actually use opposites. So the length that is opposite capital B, I'm going to label little b. The length that is opposite capital A, I'm going to label little a. And the length that is opposite capital C, I'm going to label little c. Now, when we're working with the sine rule, we're working with pairs of opposites. So you can see that we've got the length 16 and the angle 26. They are opposite each other. And we've got the angle 18 and we want the length AC. And again, they are opposite each other. When we're using the sine rule, we're only ever going to use two parts of it. In this case, we're looking at the B's and C's. So I'm going to have B over sine B is equal to C over sine capital C. Now what I can do is substitute the values from my question into this formula. So I obviously don't know the length B, but I do know the angle capital B, that's 118. I know the length little c, and I know the angle capital C. So I'm going to substitute those in. Now what I've got to do is rearrange this. So to rearrange this, I'm going to multiply by sine 118. So this is going to give me 16 over sine 26 multiplied by sine 118. Now I would recommend leaving everything exact and typing this into your calculator using your fraction button. That will ensure you're not going to lose any accuracy as you go on. So if you type this into your calculator, you're going to get a length of 32.2 to 3 significant figures. And this sounds reasonable based on the figure we've got in front of us.